Hello, I'm Joe and I'm a teacher. And today I'm going to show you how to make a paper plate spider's web for a spooky Halloween. To make them, you will need paper plates, black paint, paint brushes, string, black and white, spiders and insects that you've pre-prepared on your foam sheets, and some wiggly eyes. Paint the plate black. When the paint has dried, mark where the holes are going to be. Using a sharp stick or a hole punch, make your holes in the plate for the web. Weave the string through the plate. Tie a knot at the back. Take your pre-made spider from the foam sheet, peel the sticky back and place on your web. And finally, to finish, add your wiggly eyes. There we have it, your spooky Halloween plate. I bet you wouldn't want to have your dinner off that.